The dangers of eating red meat. That is what I am going to discuss in today's video. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the side effects of eating or consuming red meat, or the dangers of consuming red meat. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. Consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. What are the dangers of consuming red meat that you need to avoid taking red meat? Red meat is good, but the best way to take red meat is to fry it or make it to dry. It will reduce the effects. But taking red meat fresh has a danger effect. What are the danger effects? Number one, it can cause cancer. How does red meat cause cancer? There are some meats that are preserved with chemicals, and that chemicals being in the body can cause cancer. Constant intake of red meat can cause cancer because the chemicals you are taking along with the red meat, once it gets accumulated in your body system, it can lead to cancer. Number two side effect of taking red meat is that it can cause diabetes. So taking red meat attracts diabetes. So these are the two major side effects why you need to avoid red meat. The best meat to consume, if you want to consume meat or you are the type that always like to consume meat, the best meat that I will recommend is white meat. What are the source of white meat? Number one is chicken. That is fowl. Once you can consume fowl, it is the best meat to consume. Number two is turkey. That is turkey meat. That is white meat. And number three is pork meat. The meat you get from pig and the meat you get from turkey and chicken. These are the three best meats that I will recommend every man to consume. If you consume these three meats, you can never contact any disease. You can never contact diabetes. Talk more of getting cancer. So these are what you need to know about red meat. If you want to take red meat, consider frying it to stop those chemicals or to terminate the effect of chemicals you will get from taking red meat. So that is it for today's video, and that is what I want to share in today's video. If you get value, consider subscribing to be a member of this channel. Turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. Thank you for stopping by. See you in my next video. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop your comments and questions in the comment section below. I will reply your comments and questions as soon as possible. Do not hesitate to drop your comments. Thank you once again. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.